Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and a new video. My name is Alale and actually we have a very exciting handcraft today, a jewelry box. To be honest, this box is so good looking, especially if you be careful and make it carefully. Later when it's finished, I thought maybe it's a good idea to paint it, but anyway, here I have them with natural wooden colors. These boxes extremely potential of being gifts, special if you have some handmade jewelry and you want to add them to it. Alright, what we need now? Wood glue. The most important part of this handcraft is glue. And make sure that the glue you take is one of the which became invisible after drying. Any type of yarns, including linen, canvas or fake leather. Ice cream sticks, mine is 1 in 11, 21 number I used. A great button, colorful beads, spatula, cardboard, colorful paperboard, a tool for drawing circle. First step, from the paperboard, I cut a long piece 10 in 21 centimeter. I choose 10 for width because the length of my ice cream sticks are 11 and 1 centimeter less is enough. Now with my spatula, I begin to rub the wood glue on the colorful paperboard and stick one by one all the ice cream stick on it. Be careful to not add water into your glue since it makes the paperboard deformed. When the gluing part is finished, let it dry. I actually put some heavier stones on it to make sure every piece is just stick strongly. For the second step, what we need is 2 circles from the cardboard with 7 diameter. But the size of circles is depend on your personal taste. How much you make it bigger, you would need more ice cream stick and your jewelry box would be actually bigger. I cut the circle into 2 pieces from the middle and glue every 2 parts from half circle to each others. Now it's time for covering each half circles. I draw 2 same size circles on the paperboard and cut it half it and glue each part on one side of cardboard. For hiding the edge of the half circles, I would cut a bit of paperboard, but before this, with a ruler, just measure the exact length. And carefully, I glue it all around the half circles, then let it somewhere to dry. Now is time for almost last part. First, I would decide for the exact location of my half circles. Then glue them on the main body and turn the layer of the ice cream stick on it and glue the rest on the circle. Be careful to glue both sides in exact way and same situation and super strong. Now, time for finishing process. I pass my colorful bead through the can of yarn and fix them into the middle of the yarn with 2 knots. Then I glue beads on lid of the jewelry box, exact in the middle. After, glue the button on the box in the parallel way that you glued the beads on the lid. Let it dry completely. After a few hours, when everything is completely dry and your beads is not moving, then you should tie the 2 sides of the can of yarn together. That is, make a lock for your box, and it means you can open it and close it whenever you want. Alright everybody, the box is ready, and as you see, I like it so much. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and share this box to the ones they would enjoy. Love you always. See you next time.